Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I'm back to review our policies and procedures on the lifetime warranty that we provide. The lifetime warranty comes with every cabinet besides carbon steel cabinets. Those cabinets get a 2-year warranty, and we don't cover consumables on the warranty, but right into the policies and procedures. When you call in about a part that's not working, the agent you speak with will put in an invoice for a new part, but before we send that new part out, you have to send your old part that is not working and deemed not working by the agent back. You are responsible for that shipping. Vapor Honing Technologies will then complete an inspection. After the inspection is complete, we will send you the new part, which you're also responsible for shipping on. But if Vapor Honing Technologies deems that there was any manipulation to the part in the inspection, you will be back charged for that part, and your new part will not be shipped until that invoice and shipping invoices are paid in full. Please keep in mind as well that this lifetime warranty is non-transferable. If you buy the cabinet secondhand, if you buy anywhere else but Vapor Honing Technologies, your lifetime warranty is void. It does not transfer. Please keep that in mind and give us a call if you have any questions. My number is 828-202-5563.